Enclosed in a letter mailed November 17th, 2022. From the 21st of the 4th month of 1444. Lady of the city there, the likes of which would burn me so fair. I'd beg your mercy, for which I was unaware, and your subjects, for hurt feelings I bear. I'd not have inflected that way, had I known. As an outsider to your kingdom, this lord doesn't wish to roam. Let me back inside your culture, and I'll listen to and respect it just like home. I only wished to understand. I know you prefer Z and Zer, but I didn't know how to incorporate that here. For objective deeds, some need things made objectively clear. From a Noctulian, an Arcturian should have nothing to doubt or fear. Why can't one with an orange light body and one with a blue one react in a formally alien peace and harmony? Vast similarities are there if we only look again. If spirituality is the goal, shouldn't everyone who is to live be given a chance again? In this world, an opportunity denied, one, affects the whole community. To them and you, I unveil the former allegory and contritely plea. Now, in the former allegory, we have the reference to the 7 and the 7. Well, the rainbow of Unicult on the one hand, and on the other hand, Lucifer. I don't really have a leather jacket with Lucifer like that movie, but, you know, it's that same principle. Now, it was less a love story than it was, you know, just a lesson about getting along, because I knew Unicole has no desire to live the sort of life that would bring somebody like me into their presence. But so that that wasn't really the point, and that's not really the point here. I'm just trying to make peace, and you can draw a lot of comparisons. So I see Unicult as a group to work with, and there has been some issues with the group, but there's some unarticulated things. And, if there wasn't going to be a problem, and if there's not going to be a problem in the future, well, rather than certain assumptions being cast, it would be better to just say, oh, my feelings were hurt because, or, whatever, right? And apparently it's more people because the idea is like, oh, he's out here to put negativity, and then of course you put that in front of enough people, then you start getting stuff back. And so, yeah, some accusations were made against me, and calls to shun me across various platforms, but I'm just trying to put an end to this. And regardless, if there's any issue on my behalf on this or any other issue, it was, I'm sorry for my role in it. I truly am. I try to correct myself all the time. Some things need pointed out to me.